Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange and customize the home screen in the Motorola X40. So at the start, if you want to open the home screen setting, just hold the finger on the empty place on your screen, and how you can see there we have a few options. So we can start from the personalize, changing the wallpaper and themes. A little bit obvious, I know, but if you want to change your wallpaper, open the home or lock screen, choose change wallpaper, and just select the new photo from the gallery, like this one, click accept, and choose a place for it. Simple. Okay. The themes works exactly same like in the wallpaper, so we can skip it. The fonts, of course, you can change the font of your system here. Just choose your favorite one and go back, select it, that's it. Okay. The next one, colors. This is the color of the accent in the systems. You can see now I have a top menu, purple, for example. We can change it for the brown, click save, and that's it. Now we have a brown system accents. Okay, we can also change the layout if you want to change the amount of the application, the rows in the columns. You can see there I have a preview, the fingerprint animation or the edge lights is for lock screen, but you can change it here. Okay, the next one, the widgets. If you want to add any widget, just expand the Serif app and hold it to the home screen. If you want to change the size of it, just use that little edge for that. If you want to remove it, hold the finger on it and swipe it to the right. Okay, the next one, the home settings. There you have two things to change: the icon size, so just adjust it like you wish, and I think that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.